Tell me if this sounds familiar. You're visualizing, affirming, maybe even meditating. You're doing everything the law of attraction books told you, but nothing really changes. Here's the shocking truth. The universe doesn't understand your words. It doesn't even hear your affirmations. It only reads one thing, your energy. And if you don't know the hidden rules, you might actually be pushing your desires away without realizing it. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful steps that will show you exactly how to speak to the universe, so it finally starts listening. But before we jump into the 5 steps, and let me tell you a small story, because this story explains why most people's manifestations fail. Years ago, a monk told his student something very strange. He said, "The universe is like a mirror. It never listens to what you say, it only reflects what you are." At first, the student laughed. He said, "That makes no sense. I'm saying affirmations every day." The monk replied, "Exactly. You're saying it, but you don't feel it. So the mirror reflects the feeling of not having." And that's when the student realized he wasn't speaking to the universe at all. He was just speaking to himself. Step 1. Pay attention to your attention. Here's the first secret. Your attention is the most valuable currency in the universe. Whatever you focus on grows. Think of your attention like votes. Every thought you feed gets a vote. Every thought you starve loses power. And here's the shocking twist. The universe doesn't understand the words, "Ignore this," or "I don't want that." It only hears, "Yes. Give me more of this." So when you spend your day obsessing over problems, you're unconsciously asking the universe for more problems. Your attention is like a spotlight on a stage. Wherever you point it, the show gets louder, brighter, bigger. The trick is simple but powerful. Notice where your spotlight goes, and move it, consciously. Take 2 seconds and ask yourself right now, where did most of your attention go today? Was it on what you want or on what you fear? Drop it in the comments. You'll be surprised by your own answer. Step 2. Speak in the present tense. Here's the second secret. The universe doesn't understand the future. When you say, "I will be successful," what the universe actually hears is, "I am not successful right now." And so, success stays stuck in the future. That's why the key is to speak and feel in the present tense. Not "I will be abundant," but "I am abundant." Not "I will find love," but "I am already love." And here's the most important part. It's not about the words. It's about whether you can feel those words as real right now. Because if it feels fake, the universe reflects fake. If it feels real, the universe has no choice but to rearrange itself. In just a few minutes, I'll share a simple test you can do tonight in front of a mirror to know if your vibration actually matches your desire. Step 3. Expand your consciousness. Secret number 3, expand your awareness. Life isn't a straight line, it's more like a game. And here's the catch. The game has hidden rules. If you don't know them, you get played. But once you see them, you start playing like a master. Every thought, every belief, every emotional reaction is like a move in this game. The more aware you are, the less you get trapped in old patterns, the less you get tricked by fear, and the more free you are to choose what reality you actually want. It's like switching from being a beginner at poker to finally seeing everyone's cards on the table. Step 4. Listen to your guidance system. This one is big. The universe doesn't talk in words, it talks in energy, and your emotions are the translation. When something feels light, exciting, peaceful, that's your higher self guiding you. When something feels heavy, draining, forced, that's the universe whispering wrong direction. The problem is, we ignore these signals all the time. We let ego convince us, no, keep chasing this. It'll make you happy. But deep down, your body knows the truth. So here's the trick. Trust resonance. If it feels right in your soul, it is right. If it feels off, let it go. The body never lies. Step 5. Harness the power of repetition. Finally, secret number 5. Repetition. Your subconscious mind is like fertile soil. Whatever you plant in it, through repetition, grows. It doesn't care if the seed is positive or negative. It doesn't even care if it's real or imagined. That's why painful memories can still make you cry years later. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference. But here's the magic. You can reprogram it by repeating new beliefs, by saying them not just once or twice, but daily until they sink in. Say, I am confident, I am safe, I am abundant. Not mechanically, but with feeling. The moment your subconscious shifts, your entire external world begins to bend around it, because the universe follows your subconscious, not your conscious daydreams. Remember that test I promised? Here's what you do tonight. Stand in front of a mirror. Look yourself in the eyes. Say, I already live this reality. Now watch how your body reacts. If you feel calm, powerful, certain, that's alignment. If you feel resistance, if something in your gut tightens, that's your subconscious rejecting it. And that's your signal. That's where the work begins. So here's the real truth. Speaking to the universe is not about begging. It's not about repeating empty affirmations. It's about aligning your energy over and over until your reality has no choice but to reflect it. Now here's what I want you to do. Try the mirror test tonight, then come back tomorrow and comment what you felt. I'll reply with a personalized tip just for you. And remember, this is only step one. There's a deeper law beyond attraction, beyond resonance, that explains why some people manifest instantly while others struggle for years. I'll be revealing that in my next video, so hit subscribe and turn on the bell, because trust me, you don't want to miss this.